so happy with bringing it.
Bienvenue à Paris.
Yeah, welcome in Paris. During my stay in here, I'm going to offer you some videos, sharing with you some tips, tricks and thoughts about sketching. And in each video you will see me sketching in Paris. In this video I am sharing with you a really easy and handy tip that helps me a lot in my urban sketching practice lately. Hope you like it! You will also see me sketching in the Quai de Seine, so just near the river, and sketching people, bridge, the environment. I really like this kind of places to sketch. The place is a bit noisy but so lovely. I hope you will be able to hear me rather well. So my problematic lately is that I like to sketch on a big sketchbook, the A4 European normal format, and my favorite creative bag is this small one, bought in India by my beloved workshop students. So of course I got to the point where I realized I needed to use just a simple tote bag to carry my sketchbook. So sometimes the Chicago Symposium tote bag, sometimes this one or another one. So I am carrying my sketchbook that way, little bag for the materials and tote bag for the sketchbook. And this works really well, it's not annoying at all, I really like this setting. However, there are some times I think that I won't probably be sketching, so I don't want to carry some additional stuff just in case. So there are some other times, like the day when I sketched in the Quai de Seine. This sketch I am sharing the process with you in this video, where I forgot to take my sketchbook, woo! Not good. But I have my special system for this situation that is really simple but works really well. The smaller, additional little board. Haut de la rue Saint-Vincent, un poète et une inconnue s'aimèrent l'espace d'un instant, mais il ne l'a jamais revue. Cette chanson il composa, espérant que son inconnu un matin de printemps l'entendra, quelque part au coin d'une rue. La lune trop blême pose un diadème sur tes cheveux roux. La lune trop rousse de gloire éclabousse ton jupon plein de trous. La lune trop pâle caresse l'opale de tes yeux blasés. Princesse de la rue, sois la bienvenue dans mon cœur blessé. The smaller, additional little board. I guess some people would have a separate little notebook where they would make a few scribbles separately from their main sketchbook, but I like to have everything in the same place, so I don't want to use a different sketchbook, and that's why I am using this. I always take this with me with additional page for my sketchbook so that everything can get together at the end. The problem is this is half the size of the other sketchbook, and you may think, but I don't want to sketch in the half size page. I don't want either. By the way, I didn't put a Velcro closure for this mini board, and I'm just using a bulldog clip as a closure system, but you could also have kind of a ribbon or a Velcro thing or button or anything. My own easy little trick is just using some folded pages to sketch with this mini board. That way at the end I have a page the right size. Of course it's folded, but finally it's not so much of a drama. Did you notice that in my previous sketchbook tour the page about Belgium was folded? As soon as I want to sketch I can just use this on my board just like that, or using a bulldog clip so that it doesn't move. Of course you are sketching on only half a page at a time, and then you can keep going on the other side that way, or just folding it the other way so that you can use every side of the pages, and at the end you just have to tape the page on the sketchbook. I mentioned in the sketchbook tool that it's really handy just to tape a page in the sketchbook. I am doing this when I want to add some watercolor page if my sketchbook is more than normal paper, and the reverse if I bound the sketchbook with watercolor paper. And I'm also using this simple taping technique to add some some additional pages I created with this smaller board. Les escaliers de la butte sont durs aux miséreux. Les ailes des moulins protègent les amoureux. Petite mendigote, je sens ta menotte qui cherche ma main. Je sens ta poitrine et ta taille fine, j'oublie mon chagrin. Je sens sur tes lèvres une odeur de fièvre, de gosse mal nourri. Et sous ta caresse, je sens une ivresse qui m'anéantit. Les escaliers de la butte sont durs aux miséreux. Les ailes des moulins protègent les amoureux. It also happens that I am using it even when I am my bigger sketchbook with me. For example, if I want to keep it discreet and really quick, like just waiting in the line before buying something, in the metro or the situation when you want to keep it the more discreet and small possible. At some point I was thinking I don't need a folded board and I could just have one piece of this, and I tried this, but I don't think it's the best solution because the paper you have with your board is not protected, so it's going to be a bit torn and get dirty in your bag, whereas with the folded thing it's not so much thicker, but you know that your paper is inside, it's protected, so it's not going to get dirty or damaged. I also taped an envelope in one side of the little board so that if I have a leaf or a metro ticket or a receipt or something, I can keep it in here. I'm not using it really much, I usually just put a bit of the thing in the middle to keep them in my bag, but it can be a nice thing to do. And by the way, as usual, I have my build-up clips with the magnet so that I can put my palette in here and paint with this little board if I want to. Voilà qu'il flotte, la lune se trotte, la princesse aussi. Sous le ciel sans lune, je pleure à la brune, mon rêve évanoui. Les escaliers de la butte sont durs aux miséreux, les ailes des moulins protège les amoureux. Les escaliers de la butte sont durs aux miséreux. Les ailes des moulins protègent les amoureux. Liked the demo and the urban sketching strategy. Check my other video with all the explanation about the and how I organize my stuff to be able to sketch easily on the go, and I will see you in the next video, painting in Paris. Est-ce que vous voulez bien dire bienvenue à Paris?